I don't think so, because you have to do an awful lot of talking. And anyway, I think Michael D is very good at that job, so I hope he stays there. But I think I'd vote for the Rubberbandits, because I think they get things done. And at least they listen to you, don't they? I don't want to grow up.
Oh.
I think I'm doing a good job at that, because I'm 5 and I'll stay 5.
How long have you been 5 now?
Oh, for a lot of 5s.
It's your favourite age?
It's my favourite number. I love 5.
Okay.
It looks lovely. Boop, 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 like that. He doesn't seem to like people. He doesn't seem to like, maybe he doesn't like white people or black people, or maybe he doesn't even like children. I think he might like redheads. Do you think he had red hair once? I hope that he gets to like all peoples in the world, because I think he only likes people that wear makeup at the moment. But maybe when he gets to know everybody else, he might like them. And I think that it will be very good for people who build walls, because he wants to build walls all over the place. That's going to be cool. I'm going to go there and I'm going to do my show, and I talk to all the boys and girls first, and the mummies and daddies, and then they're going to see the story of Hansel and Gretel. Do you know that story?
I love that story.
There's a witch in it, and she's scary, and she tries to put the children in the oven. Imagine. Imagine trying to put the children in the oven. It's a bit like RTE trying to put all children's programs in the oven. Maybe that's where they got the idea from. What do you think?